Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jermaine Morgan TV, and we're still in the middle of our 1 minute lick series, and today I'm going to break down lick number 9, so stay tuned. Alright, so once again, we're in the key of E minor. Really funky key, a really fun key to play in. If you're a bass player, a lot of open notes, a lot of really cool stuff that can happen in the key of E minor. So this is similar to a couple of the licks that we've done this week, but I'm just really showing variation of some of the different things that we can do with the same type of ideas, but just by tweaking a couple of things. Now this thing that we're doing with this line here, we're building this off of the Dorian scale as well. Okay? Of course, we have a couple of accidentals that happen in there to give it more of a dominant sound. And it ends with a minor pentatonic as well. So again, remember, I told you guys there's so many different things that we can do with that minor pentatonic idea, but we started off again with that Dorian scale. Sorry, I'm back. But again, we're building this off of this Dorian idea as well as this minor pentatonic idea, and we're just kind of merging the two worlds together. Okay, and so there's so many different things you can take this idea and do with it, but in the context of this particular groove, here's what I was doing. And so notice that the slides are really quick. So again, we started here. Okay? And that's pretty much the gist of the entire line. It's not really complicated, but again, when you hear things, sometimes the initial hearing them and getting them up to speed can be the harder part, but when you really break it down and listen to what's really happening there, it can be something that's really simple that's happening really fast. So it's up to you how you want to do it. Just play around with it, get a metronome or get something and slow it down and practice it at slow tempos. Make sure you're comfortable with it before you try to just be speed demon on the particular lick. Listen guys, that's it for this particular lick. I'm not going to make it more complicated than that, so remember, drop your comments below, and if you haven't subscribed already, press the subscribe button as I continue to keep these videos coming for you. I want to give you things ultimately that help you as a musician, as a bass player, to unlock your sound. So I will see you guys on the next video. Take care. I'm out. Peace.